Final presentation, Cindy Church, Holistic Health, December 17th, 2018. Holism has probably been around since the beginning of time. Modern medicine needs to bridge the gap between science and holism. Hippocrates was a Greek physician during the age of Pericles and was considered one of the most outstanding figures in the history of medicine. He was titled the father of Western medicine. He said that natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. He provided a wealth of information on biomedical methodology and the codes of professional ethics. Galen was a Greek physician, surgeon, and philosopher in the Roman Empire. He went to Rome to revive the holistic concepts of Hippocrates. He put great emphasis on clinical observation. Galen believed in the healing powers of nature. He is quoted as saying, "Look to the nervous system as the key to maximum health." In traditional Chinese medicine, holism is defined as the theory that parts of a whole are in intimate interconnection such that they cannot exist or be understood independently of the whole. Holistic medicine is looking at the human patient in body, mind, and spirit and balancing the qi, or life energy, of all three to gain health and wellness. The term holism was coined by South African statesman Jan Smuts in his 1926 book, Holism and Evolution, where he states, "It is the tendency in nature to form wholes that are greater than the sum of the parts through creative evolution. Holism by nature accepts that human life is influenced by factors other than those associated with materiality, mechanism, and rationality." Vitalism is the theory that the origin and phenomenon of life are dependent on a force or principle that is distinct from purely chemical or physical forces. Reductionism is the theory that complexities in psychology and biology can be explained by researching the most basic and simplest physical functions that are happening. Reductionism oversimplifies the issues by reducing them to the interaction of their parts. Modern medicine uses reductionism by looking at the symptoms and treating the illness based on symptoms of cause. They look for treatment of drugs or surgery while ignoring the connection of mind, body, and spirit, looking at the organs individually instead of seeing the interconnectedness of the whole patient's entirety. My personal health concerns are depression, insomnia, and nutrition. The holistic approach to these concerns that are already being used in my life are changes in diet, psychological acupressure, physical activity, meditation, and prayer. The physical symptoms of depression, such as fatigue, insomnia, and poor eating habits, are sometimes accompanied by pessimistic thoughts and feelings of spiritual emptiness. I've realized that all my problems don't have to be solved to feel better. The philosopher Epictetus said, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Thoughts and circumstances have powerful effects on mood. Perspective on problems can cause more distress than the problems themselves. Pharmaceuticals like Xanax and Zoloft can mask the problem and numb emotions and come with a warning risk of suicidal thoughts. The transition of the 4 seasons may also affect mood and disposition. To many people, the transition to autumn can be tough, and the transition to winter even tougher. Seasonal affective disorder is the term for seasonal depression. Some doctors might blame changes in outside light levels. Some therapies that I can try are light therapy, more outdoor activities, possibly even acupuncture. Exposure to sun provides vitamin D, which is key to many bodily processes, and an insufficiency has been linked to depression. The healing traditions of China, India, Japan, and Tibet all spoke of energy channels and meridians along which vital energy flows. Life is considered to be a bioelectrical and vibrational energy phenomena, and health revolves around balancing energy. Over 2,000 years ago, ancient cultures knew of the existence of these energy channels. Modern medicine has seen a large rise in the seeking of holistic alternatives. Many physicians admit that there should be options and alternatives in the treatment of disease, life, and dying. Instead of detection and cure, we need an extensive, comprehensive program of prevention and promotion of good health and quality of lifestyle and balance of mind, body, and spirit.